Karan Johar's pet project, Dostana 2, has always been a jinxed project. After being in the planning stage for years on end, with its original star cast and director Tarun Mansukhani, the film was finally announced back in November 2019. But now, the film has got stuck again and is in the news for all the wrong reasons. Kartik Aaryan has reportedly been fired from Dostana 2 by Dharma Productions due to his unprofessional behavior. Sources say that Dharma is not only replacing Kartik Aaryan from the sequel to their 2008 hit, but Karan Johar has vowed to never work again with Kartik Aaryan. Not for any films that his production house makes or any other film business of Dharma Productions. Actually, production of Dostana 2 was already underway, and it's quite rare for a big production house to replace a prominent actor midway. He had already completed 20 days of shoot for the film. Sources say that Dharma was pushed to the wall by Karthik's unprofessional behavior. Reports also say that there was lack of clarity on commitment of dates from his talent management agency. Now, after shooting for almost 2 weeks for Dostana 2, Karthik has stepped out of the project, and as always, the reason being given in the media is due to creative differences. A source close to Dharma Production said, yes, Karthik has walked out of Dostana 2 over creative differences, even after going through the script before agreeing to do the film and then also shooting for the film for over 2 weeks. Kartik Aaryan and Janhvi Kapoor had started shooting for Dostana 2 in Amritsar back in November 2019. The shoot was halted in March 2020 due to the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. Initially, it was being said that Kartik will be discontinuing work on the film as there were issues with his dates due to his COVID-19 diagnosis and the present lockdown scenario. However, the source states that the actor's move has totally jeopardized the film, and that too in the middle of an already tough time for the actors and the film industry in general. But the story doesn't end here. There is a lot that has happened in the last few months that has totally strained relationship between Kartik Aaryan and Karan Johar. Sources said that Karthik was upset with Dharma Productions when they gave Shashank Khaitan's Yodha to Shahid Kapoor. Although Shahid soon quit, they never approached Kartik Aaryan for the same role. And also, since Karthik's dates were not available for Dostana 2, Karan Johar decided to go ahead and start this film called Mr. Lele with Vicky Kaushal and Janhvi Kapoor from this April onwards. The moment Karthik got to know about this, he informed Dharma Productions that the only dates available with him for Dostana 2 this year will be from April onwards. Karan Johar understood what Kartik Aaryan was trying to do and quickly reprimanded him for the same. Sources claim that Kejo was genuinely upset with Kartik as Janhvi had to pick between Dostana 2 and Mr. Lele, and Karan wanted her to do both the films. The latest news is that Karan and Kartik are not even speaking a word with each other now. Also, the fact that Kartik decided to wrap up Ram Madhwani's Dhamaka annoyed Karan even further. A source said, for the longest time, Kartik, who himself tested positive for coronavirus, cited the pandemic as a reason to not start shooting for Dostana 2. He wanted to ensure the safety for everyone, so Karan didn't really push him much. But when he shot for Dhamaka, Karan was very upset. They had an indoor meeting where Karan expressed his disappointment to Kartik Aaryan. And of course, after that, things had never been the same again. Now, back in 2019, Kartik had put up this post on Instagram touching Karan Johar's feet and captioning it as Mada Ladla Chandigarh Nikal Gaya. Everything seemed so hunky-dory back then, but now there are major differences between the two after the shooting had started as well. I have met and known Kartik ever since he was a struggling actor. He would often come for movie screenings in Mumbai and I would run into him before the film began sometimes or even during the interval. At the time, of course, he was very down to earth and humble, but now with 21.1 million followers on Instagram and a couple of hits under his belt, many say that Kartik sure feels like he has arrived. Well, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. We can chat on Instagram. It's @reviewron. And of course, you can subscribe here if you find my videos worth it. But even if you don't, thank you so much for watching.